Dear students, we are using one more important function, day functions today. Before I explain day function, let me show you the syntax of the day function. Day function can be written in this way, equal to day in the parenthesis serial number. So here you have to pass the cell address which contain the date. Okay. The day function of MS Excel returns the day of the month in the form of a number between 1 to 31 from a given date. Okay. In another word, we can say the day function is used to extract the day component from the date. It means day can be separated from any date. Date can be written in this format. Format for the date, see over here, mm means month name, then slash, it is separator, dd means the day, separator, slash, and then y. In this format, that date can be written in the MS Excel. Let me show you in an example how you can separate the date. See certain dates given over here, some dates written in this format, the date format YY. In this format date is written over here, and we want to separate the day from this date. So what we will be doing, equal to, then we will be writing function day starting parenthesis, passing the cell address B2. B2 is containing the date, so we will be passing date over here, and then closing the parenthesis, press enter key. See 30 is extract over here, 30 is separated from this date, day is separated from this date. Take another example, writing day, then passing the cell address B3, press enter key. 3 is separated, 3 is the day of the 8th month, and this is separated over here. Likewise, you can separate any date. Okay, 7 separated here, but sometime you will be writing date in this format, dd dash means 3 character of the month name, dash, and YY 2 digit of the year, last 2 digit of the year, that you will be writing. See this 26 dash JAN dash 20. Okay, from this date format, if you want to extract the day only, what you will be doing, writing equal to day parenthesis B5, which is containing the date, that you will be passing and pressing enter key. See here, exactly 26 is extracted. This 26, this is the day extracted from the date. Okay, now what will happen in this date? Can you answer what will happen? 16/12/2020. What output will be coming? Can you guess? Let us see. Equal to day, and then parenthesis, passing the date and press the enter key. See what happens over here. Error, value error is coming, value error. Why value error is coming? Because the date format is this one, MM means here the first one is what is written over here, 16. It means the month is 16. Do you think month is 16? No, 1 to 12 months are there only. So this is the value which you return, that is wrong, that's why error is coming. So make it 12, okay, and press enter key. Now see, it is giving you 12. This is the correct format. So my dear, in this format YY, and in this format DD dash dash YY, somewhere if you want to extract the day from this date, you can utilize the day function. Okay, thank you.